Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2022 Chevy Silverado 2500 Work Truck Edition. This vehicle does have the 6.6 liter V8. It is a gas 6.6 liter. Also, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right here. It does have a rear vision camera. Also down here is your heat and AC controls. And then you have your liftgate opener, hazards, traction control, and then your trailer brake controller. Also, these floors are the vinyl flooring instead of putting floor mats in it. This is what the outside looks like. It does have running boards right down there. This vehicle is in our certified pre-owned program, so that will add an extra warranty with the purchase of the vehicle on delivery. And that warranty includes the 12-month, 12,000 mile. This is what the bed looks like. It is a spray and bed liner. If you take a look in the back seat, this is what the back seat looks like. Also, you can flip the seats up. That is all I have on this Chevy Silverado 2500. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.